Hello students. Every year our school arranges camp for you in this month. Do you remember which place did we visit last year on the same date, that is today? So today we are going to revisit the school camp through this video. A day before school camp, you all were in hustle and bustle in packing your bags. You didn't want to miss a single thing to carry. I know many of you didn't sleep at night properly due to excitement. So, where did we go last year? Exactly. We had been to Raigad. Early morning, we met in school and started our journey playing Antakshari and so on in the bus. On the same day of our camp, we visited a historical place with full of beauty and nature called Shivthargarh. Shivthargarh is also known as Sundarmat. Sundarmat means beautiful monastery. It is a cave about 34 kilometers from Mahad. Samartha Ramdas dictated Dasbodh to Kalyan Swami. Samartha Ramdas lived here for about 22 years. It is believed that this is where the first meeting between Shivaji Maharaj and Samartha Ramdas took place. We had also visited Pandav caves and then finally in the evening we reached at our campsite. You all were divided into different groups. Tents were also distributed to you. And at night, after delicious dinner, you all had an entertaining program with campfire. Our next day was filled with full of excitement and we were so much energetic because we were going to visit Raigad Fort. Next day, early morning, we started our journey towards Raigad. We started climbing and reached after an hour at fort. When we reached at the top, we were tired and exhausted, but equally thrilled. Raigad is a hill fort situated in Mahad. Many constructions and structures that we see on Raigad were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj when he made it his capital in 1674 when he was crowned the king of the Maratha kingdom, which later developed into the Maratha Empire. The Raigad Fort is also known as the Gibraltar of the East by the Europeans. The Raigad Fort is a majestic and aesthetically appealing hill fort. The fort can be accessed by a single pathway comprising of 1737 steps. Its strategic build speaks of the clever architecture and design used centuries ago. Surrounded by green valleys, the fort has several gateways that enthrall its visitors, namely the Meena Darwaza, Nagarkhana Darwaza, Palki Darwaza and the majestic Maha Darwaza, which is the main entrance to the imperial structure. Today, the fort serves as a living reminder of the glory and valor of the Marathas. Feeling of dedication, loyalty, devotion, sacrifice can be felt in the air of Raigad. Our hearts were filled with pride for being part of this great legacy. Somewhere there was a feeling like we are present on a place of worship. We had learnt many new things apart from our syllabus about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and felt to find or study more about this real hero. Then we visited Jijamata's Samadhi at Pachad, a village which is situated at the foot of Raigad. And then from that place we started our return journey. We all wanted to continue with our camping site, but with heavy heart we sat in our bus for return journey. We were physically in bus, but mentally we were at the fort with full of amazing memories. Dear students, let's come back from those cherishable memories to the present day, and I hope you all must have enjoyed October 2020 school camp. So, I would like to thank each one of you for being a part of virtual visit to the Raigad Fort. Thank you.